I'm Gary Strigler. Pocket hole joinery has completely changed the way that we've worked over the years. It's a great way of joining wood together, but there's one drawback, and that is sometimes you have to fill in that hole with a plug like this. Well, that plug's never going to be perfectly flush, and so you have to sand it off. Now, one of the things I've learned recently to do, which saves me a lot of sanding time, is to trim that plug off using my multi-tool. Now, one of the things I like about this particular multi-tool is the trigger is right where I can get a hold of it and grip it while I'm working, and it's variable speed so I can ease my way into the cut, and the work light really helps me be able to see exactly where I'm cutting. This takes a little bit of practice, but boy, once you learn how to do it, you can save yourself a bunch of time trimming off these plugs. First thing I'm going to do is clamp the door to this board. And then I'm going to just get right down to where I can see it and start in real slow. Now all I need to do is come in with a random orbit sander, slick those up, and I'll be ready to move on to the next door.